The winter arc is here, a 90-day challenge that will shape how your next year unfolds. If you want to join the top 1% of students and leave 99% behind, watch this till the end. I promise, these 90 days can change everything. Winter break feels amazing at first. Late mornings, endless scrolling, cozy blankets. But after a few weeks, that comfort turns into guilt. Days blur together, and suddenly the new semester begins, and you feel unprepared. Sound familiar? The truth is, winter break can either make you weaker or make you unstoppable. That's why I call it the winter arc, your personal hero's journey. Instead of wasting these 90 days, you can use them to reset, grow, and get ahead of your peers. Step 1. Energy reset. First, reset your energy. Think of it as clearing your mental cache. Start with your sleep, not oversleeping, but going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Add light physical activity, a short walk, some stretching, or a quick workout. And finally, declutter your mind with 10 minutes of journaling each morning. Write your worries, your goals, and free up mental space. This is your foundation. Step 2, skill acceleration. Next, skill acceleration. Pick 1 or 2 skills that will actually move you forward. It could be coding, creative writing, design, or public speaking. Don't try to master everything. Focus beats overwhelm. Just 30 minutes a day is enough. Track your progress on a calendar or journal so you can actually see growth. Every session is a level up, not a chore. Step 3, life alignment. This is what most students ignore, but it's the real game changer. Define your goals for next semester. Not vague wishes, but clear, specific targets. For example, 3 chapters of calculus every week, or apply to 5 internships by March. Then, design small wins that build momentum, cleaning your study space, finishing assignments early, practicing mindfulness daily. And at the end of each day, reflect. What worked? What didn't? Reflection is your cheat code. Be careful of 3 traps: perfectionism, distractions, and low motivation days. You don't need a perfect plan. Imperfect action still puts you ahead. Limit social media so it doesn't drain your time. And on tough days, just show up for 10 minutes. Momentum builds from small steps. So here's the truth. Your winter arc doesn't have to be perfect. But if you start now, if you commit to these 3 steps, you'll return to school recharged, skilled, and focused, while most students are still stuck in holiday mode. Choose growth over comfort, action over scrolling, momentum over procrastination. After 90 days, you won't just be ready for the new year. You'll already be ahead of 99% of your peers. If you're ready to start your winter arc, comment day 1 below and let's grow together. And if you want more strategies to sharpen your focus and habits, check out the next video on this channel.